Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to move multiple apps all at once on your home screen. Now this is a very simple task. However, if you've been like me and moving one app at a time onto new pages, then this is a lifesaver. So let's get started. Now if I scroll through my applications here, you'll see I have all my banking apps in different locations and I want to put them all on one page. So to move multiple applications, you want to tap the application and hold it until you see everything wiggling, and then you want to move the application slightly until the minus sign is removed from the application. So now without the minus sign, you can move the screen and select all the applications you want to move at once. And as you can see, they jump on top of this application. And you can just keep adding as many applications as you wish. So I want all my banking apps on a single page. So let's move to an empty page. So now when I let go of the screen, as you can see, all the applications move to this one screen all at once. Hope you found that helpful and it saves you a lot of time rather than moving apps individually. And if it has, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.